Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you've landed at the right place. This is Property Cloud, your favorite online PropTech service. What exactly is a PropTech service? A PropTech service is the place where you can do virtual site visits. Now, what are virtual site visits? Virtual site visits are something wherein what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to the property right over here on your mobile screen, on your computer screen, and also I'm going to show you the whole property. I'll also show you the sample flat if it is ready, and I'll show you all the details. I'll tell you where it is located. I'll tell you everything about the property right over here at the convenience of a house. And then once you like the property, then I'll also provide you with a free pickup and drop service with your own dedicated relationship manager. And then you will do the physical site visits once you have shortlisted the properties that you have liked over here on Property Cloud. Iske baad what we do is that we connect you directly to the developer so that there are no middlemen involved, and then there is also no brokerage involved. So you also get to see your favorite home on your computer screen. You get to decide your dream home, you get to buy it, go through the whole booking process and everything, absolutely zero brokerage at the convenience of your time and the convenience of your house. Now all of this, if this is not enough, then let me tell you something more about Property Cloud, but I'm going to tell that to you at the end of this video. First of all, let me tell you where we have come today. Let's go. And here I am, just 20 minutes drive from the Kempegowda International Airport at Devanahalli, at Pearl, at Brigade Atmosphere. As you can already see the name behind me, it's not just the name, it's the whole property in itself. It is one of the scarcely populated projects, as I'm going to call it, because I'm absolutely in love with the whole project, but I also want you to fall in love with it just along with me. All you need to do is stay with me. Let's take a walk inside and let me show you what exactly the project looks like. Let's go. The only project that gives you 114 UDS, and this is the project. I'm already inside the sales office, which gives a very warm and cozy feel to you. And also, I love the connectivity of this place. I'm going to tell you about the connectivity, but before that, I want you to take a bird's eye view at the complete project, which is right over here in front of me. And now that you've seen the project from outside, it's time to take a look at the layout of the two different variants that they have, which is right over here next to me. Let's take a walk inside it. So this is the entrance of your Villa Mint, and here is the entrance of the 2,540 square feet apartment. This over here is your living room, which is of 13 by 37 square feet, and the dining area is included in this. And now you can see the balcony, which is of 5 by 15 square feet. And now let's move to the kids' bedroom. From the balcony, we will come back, and this is the kids' bedroom that comes with a bathtub for every kid's bedroom. Now let's take a look at the kitchen over here. This is the kitchen over here that also comes with your dry utility area right over here. And now let's take a look at the guest's bedroom. Here is your guest bedroom that comes with an attached toilet and wash, which is also a common toilet and wash because there is an extra entrance to it. And this is your study area. And now is the time to enter the master bedroom. You can already see that the flooring of the master bedroom has changed. They have given a wooden finished flooring, and also the balcony of the master bedroom is an exclusive place of 4 by 12 square feet. Now let's move into the exit of the house again and take a look at the maid's entrance. Now this is the exit of the house, and this is where your maids enter from, directly into the maid's room, and then from the dry utility area towards the kitchen. Now let's go back to the exit of the house and take a look at the next variant that they have. Now, this is the entrance of the 2,589 square feet apartment. Here your living and your dining are different in an L-shaped. The living is of 15 by 14 square feet, and the dining and study combined together are of 20 by 17 square feet. Now let's take a look at the kitchen over here. This is your kitchen that connects to your dry utility and also to the maid's entrance, which I'll tell you about later. Let's come back to your living area and take a look at the guest bedroom. Now the best part about the guest bedroom washroom is that it has two different entrances. One would be from inside the bedroom and one is making it a common washroom. And now let's take a look at the kids' bedroom. The kids' bedroom over here also comes with an attached toilet and also a bathtub, which has been provided for every kid's bedroom, as I told you earlier. And now let's take a look at the grand master bedroom. The grand master bedroom also is of 13 by 16 square feet with a balcony of 4 by 12 square feet with posh wooden flooring and also an attached toilet and wash. Now let's go back to the exit and take a look at the maid's entrance. This over here is the maid's entrance that brings you to the maid's room, and then over here is the maid's room, the dry utility area and also the kitchen, and then the rest of the house. I'm sure the layout did give you a rough idea, but what's the point if you cannot see the house from inside? Then this is a virtual site tour. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go inside the house and I'm going to show you what exactly do these rooms look like, what exactly do these villaments look like, and how beautiful they are when they are actually there, so that when you come over here for a physical site visit, nothing stays missed out. Let's go straight into the villaments. And this really gives a feel of being someplace which is a bliss. It's not real, it's more like a dream come true. And here we are, and just like I promised you, extremely low density, because of which you actually have a complete private lobby area. Now I'm going to show you the villaments from inside. Stay tuned with me. And this is the 2589 square feet villaments. As you can already see, the foyer area is pretty spacious. The area of this foyer area is of approximately 7.3 by 7 square feet. And this over here is your grand living area, which is of approximately 15 by 14.6 square feet. And here we are going to enter into the balcony. Now, as I already told you, the balcony is pretty spacious and it is also covered from 3 sides. On the flooring, you will get anti-skid floors and this beautiful railing over here, which gives a very beautiful scenic side to it. Now let's take a look at your dining and your study area. This is your study and your dining area. Now the study area is of approximately 13.79 by 7.9 and the dining is of approximately 17.6 by 12 square feet. Right over here is the common toilet and bath, which is also connected to your guest bedroom. I'm going to show that to you just after a while, because right now I need to show you the kitchen. This is an open kitchen which is of approximately 9.3 by 12 square feet. Comes with this service table right over here and also another table inside the kitchen, which is a U-shaped table that ends right at your vegetable sink, and there is an additional service table right over here as well. Now in this corner is the utility area. Let's take a close look at the utility area. Now that you've seen the utility area, there is a maid's room which I'm going to show you at the end and I'll tell you the reason. But before that, let's take a look at the kids' bedroom, the guest bedroom and also the master bedroom. Now, as I told you, I'm standing in the dining area right now. On my one end are 2 bedrooms and towards the entrance, towards the living room is the guest bedroom. First of all, let's take a look at the guest bedroom and then we'll see where the family members shall live. So, here is your guest bedroom, which is of approximately 13 by 12 square feet. And here is the guest bedroom. This comes with these beautiful windows which are of a wooden panel and they still have a grill for your safety and security. And as I told you that there is an additional washroom over here. Now this is the bathroom that is attached to your guest bedroom and also it serves as a common washroom right here. And now let's take a look at the kids' bedroom. But before that, did I forget to tell you, they have an extra exclusive space for your puja room, or you can convert it into a study or a bar. The area of this one is approximately 4.9 by 8 square feet. That's almost 5 by 8 square feet, which is pretty spacious, I must say. I'm absolutely in love with this particular area of the house. The living is separate, the dining is separate. That keeps the house in a perfect vibe. And now it's time to take a look at the kids' bedroom. Right over here is the kids' bedroom, which is of approximately 14 by 12.3 square feet. And here we enter into the kids' bedroom. Let's take a very good look at the kids' bedroom. These windows have a wooden panel to it, and here is the attached toilet and wash to it. As I promised you that all the kids' bedrooms come with a pre-fixed bathtub, let's take a look at the bathtub as well. And this is the bathtub that is there in each and every bathroom, and the CP sanitary fittings are a part of the standard flat furnishings. And this is the master bedroom. As you can already see that the flooring has changed, the one that I showed you in the layout. And this is the grand master bedroom. That over there is the balcony of the room, and this also comes with the similar anti-skid tiles on the flooring and also is covered from 3 sides. And here is the attached toilet and wash to the master bedroom. Let's take a closer look at this one. Also, the CP sanitary fittings are a part of the standard flat furnishings over here. And now I have to show you the interesting part, and that is the maid's room. Now for the maid's room, what we will do is that we will directly go outside the house so that I can show you where exactly the maids will enter from. So let's exit from this house and take a look at the maid's entry. And this over here is the entry to your maid's room. Now this is a private entry, and if you remember seeing the utility area right over here, then I showed it to you from the kitchen. Here is your maid's room, which is approximately 7.9 by 8 square feet. And it also comes with an attached toilet and wash to it, which is over here for your maids. This is of 6.6 by 4 square feet, and there is an additional space for your maid's wardrobe as well. Now everything in this house has been taken special care of, and that's the reason we want you to visit this property. Now in case you are wondering how exactly you're going to do that, how can you go ahead with the booking because you love the Villa Mint just like I did. What next? Well, wait for it. I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you a lot. Stay with me for some more time. Now that you've seen the property and you have come back over here, I am sure that's because you need to know how to go ahead with the booking process. Just a second, I'm going to tell you. It's very simple. If you can see the caption, in the caption there is a link mentioned. All you need to do is simply click on the link and we will guide you through the rest of the process. How? Well, our salesperson will get in touch with you immediately and then help you do a physical site visit of the property with a free cab service. And then not just one, you can also visit multiple properties in one day so that you don't have to waste your time. Now this is Bengaluru and we know the traffic, so we don't want to waste your time. We don't want to waste your energy. In fact, we want you to buy your house at ease, simply and without any brokerage also. So that's what we are here for. Property Cloud is at your service. All you need to do is simply click on the link below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such beautiful properties. Thank you.